Just in time for the long weekend. This is it. King Charles III's baked eggs for breakfast, but with an Aussie twist. We're going to start with some Warrigal greens or Australian spinach. Now, if you can't get hold of this, it's okay. Use classic English spinach, just like the King does. And what you're going to do is wilt it down until it's bright green and just a little bit on the soft side. Then we're going to oil an oven-proof dish and line it with that wilted spinach. Look at that. Toss in some chopped up cherry tomatoes, and then we're going to add a lovely soft cheese. I've got a washed rind brie here. Then I'm adding some lemon myrtle and pepperberry for that Aussie twist. And here come our beautiful Australian eggs. We're going to crack 2 into the dish. Now, Charles only uses 1, but I like to use 2 for a hearty breakfast. And then we add 1/3 of a cup of thickened cream and some more cheddar on top. Now, that's a different kind of cheese, a good one for melting because we want it to go toasty and brown. Pop that under the grill or in the oven at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs. I like mine nice and runny. Oh, look at that. And the cream and the eggs have made the most beautiful sauce on top of that spinach in there. We've got our Aussie flavours with the pepperberry and the lemon myrtle and the Aussie spinach, but otherwise it's a classic King Charles III breakfast.